In this video, we're going to be adding these two 12-inch American Pros subs into the trunk of my newly amped up Chevy Cobalt 2010. Alright, first things first, got a brand new roll of 14 gauge speaker wire from Install Gear. Now this is just because I was using their install kit for all the wiring except for the 8 gauge wire. That's New Concepts. I used it for the fuse and the 4 gauge wire, as well as the RCAs for the 4-channel. And I just wanted to stick with the red, or the blue and black theme, so that's why I got it, and it was 100 feet, 15 bucks, so pretty good. So what I did, I just mocked up about, just 2 lengths of the wire that is probably gonna be enough. Why 2 lengths? It's because, well, this has 2 terminals on it. There's a dual, oh man, it's a lot of words. There's 2 4-ohm voice coils in here, and when I have them wired up to the terminals, they're 2 ohms. Now, this amp is 1 ohm stable, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run 2 different sets of wires, 1 to each, and that'll be a 1 ohm load on the amp, because it'll be in parallel. So I got this wire stripped and attached to each terminal. Now I'm gonna just struggle to get this in here right now. Alright, so subs are in, and I got the wires running up to there. In a minute, pull this carpet back, and I'm just gonna tuck these up and go underneath here, and then up through that hole. Fresh that, I decided to get in there, take the bolt off, and see what is going on. Wires ran through the hole, and I just have them together like they would be once I plug them in. And I just want to check the resistance measured on the multimeter here to make sure that I didn't make any mistakes. So I'm just gonna attach them. Dude, I didn't really need a tripod. Alright, so that's together, and we're getting about 1.1 ohm. I know that the regular resistance that you measure is supposed to only be like 75% of it, because once the alternating current is applied, then it like changes the resistance. So like, I feel like it should be less than 1. That's my only concern, but who cares, man? We're gonna plug it in, see if this thing can rock it like my old Rockvilles did. Alright, that should be that. I'll just push the rest of these extra wire through. So it looks a little neater. Yep. And there it is. Got 2 sections going off to there. And that honestly should be everything that I'm gonna put in this car, minus one thing, which will be a surprise. So, put that wire in there. Tighten this bolt down a little more. I'm planning on adding zip ties or something up there in the corner just so I get a little more hold. I was originally planning to do 2 bolts into here, and as you can see, it's still wobbly, and I'm worried it might rattle. But like everything, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. All right, this is a pretty good bass song, so we'll see what happens.